Hi there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading the police verification report from your PMS dashboard. Let's get started. Log into your PMS account using your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side menu and click on Reports. From the list, select Front Office. On the Front Office Reports page, click the Booking tab at the top. Then, choose Police Verification Report. Select the date for which you want to generate the report. In the top right corner, you'll see options to download the report in Excel or PDF format. Choose your preferred format and click to download. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the police verification report from your PMS. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.